This is going to blow your mind. Ever wonder who keeps computer systems running smoothly? Let's find out. As a system administrator, you're the unsung hero managing servers, operating systems, hardware, and networks. But where do you start? Here are the essentials. First up, hardware. Understand computer components, how they work together, and how to troubleshoot and maintain them. Think of it as the foundation of your system admin skills. Next, operating systems. Get proficient in Windows, Linux, and Unix. Learn to install, configure, and manage these systems like a pro. Now, let's talk networking. Grasp the basics like configuring routers and switches and mastering TCP, IP, DNS, and DHCP. It's the backbone of any IT infrastructure. Then virtualization. Familiarize yourself with technologies like VMware and Hyper-V. It's all about maximizing efficiency. Finally, scripting. Develop basic skills in Bash or PowerShell to automate routine tasks and make your life easier. Master these fundamentals, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful system administrator. Keep learning, keep exploring, and endless opportunities will follow.